Good day, everybody. So I'm Daniel P. Matias, and I'll be presenting you my module one exam in our industrial electronics. So today I'll be showing you two of my circuits for today, instructed by our professor. So let me show you first the question. So here is the module one exam. So first is to demonstrate the required task, follow the required guidelines in written reports and video demonstrations. So this is my task one. Demonstrate the creation of the SCR phase control circuit with varying firing angles from 45 up to 135 degrees. So that is my task one. And this is my circuit that I made. So here now I have my circuit. So I have here a AC circuit, a resistor. I need three resistors, a transistor, a diode, and a potentiometer. And I also need here an an oximeter, I believe so. Let me check. Oscilloscope there, an oscilloscope, so that I would determine the graph. Now, I have tried this circuit, and let me show you my circuit and my graph rather. Wait. So here is my graph. So let me change this first at 0%, 0. So at 0, it shows that when it's in when I change my potentiometer into 0%, we can see here the firing angle is approximately maybe about 100. So we have here maybe around 135 degrees. And when I change it to 100, as you can see here, it reaches around let's say 100 or maybe below 100 degrees. So that is my first circuit for today. And up to the next one. So now we have here the task 2. So demonstrate the balancing of Wheatstone Bridge circuit with an LDR exposed at 650 lux, and the POT1 is set to 30% setting. So now let me open my module task 2. So here now we have here the module task 2, module 1 exam task 2. So it is already been set. So we have two let me check again. I'm sorry, I forgot. So we have here two variable resistor, one let me check again. Where is uh oh right, it's in lock. So we have here the LDR, and we also have here one resistor. So it is said that this is set in um this potentiometer will be set in 30%. So it is in 30% right now, and this is set in 50 50K max. So this is in max. So I can't change it right now because it is set. I mean, rather we can only set this when we already played the circuit. And this lux is already in 650 lux. What it is said here is in 654 lux. And here in our R2, our resistor is set in 15 kilo ohms. And we used a digital multimeter so that we would know if it would be balanced. So the positive side would be connected here in the middle of the um two the two variable resistor, and the other one will be here at the end of the resistor. So now let's play. So as we can see here, we get a value of 5.62 5.62 volts, since this is in 30 volts and this is in, I mean, this is in 30% and this is in 100%. As we go higher for the first variable resistor, we get a value of 3. So we know that this now from the because of this value, it is already equal. But when we go lower, it goes to 9 volts. So keep that in mind. When we go lower the percentage of the variable resistor 1, it will go higher. But when we go a higher percentage, it will give us a lower voltage. It will give us a lower voltage value. So let me reset this to 30. Now, what about this? What about our potential, variable resistor 2? So today, right now, it is set to 100. But what happens if we go lower? So let us see. There. So when we reach 0%, it will give us a value near to 0%, to zero graph. So now we see that when we go higher, it will give us a high, it will give us additional voltage value. But once we go lower, it will give us less. So it will deduct a zero voltage value. So now we know that when this um variable resistor, when it is at 100%, we know that this is in equal terms. The bridge is equal. Now that's it. That's the end of this module 1 exam, and I hope you guys learned something today and have a great day.